Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this toaster oven that we got to sit on our countertop as our last one just quit working recently, so we just ordered this one. So as you can see there, this fits a 9-inch by 13-inch pan with handles. This is what it looks like. So just wanted to show you a quick unboxing. We'll go ahead and take this out of the box and show you it out of the box, but look forward to using this. All right, so we got the toaster oven out of the box here, as you can see. So here's the knobs on the side here. This is your knob for like your temperature if you're baking something. And then if you want to put it on toast, and then you set your toasting time down here, whether you want just lightly toasted, medium, and then all the way up to, you know, pretty toasted. Here's your timer for baking right here. So basically you just turn these knobs to the right. And then after you plug it in, I don't not have this plugged in right now. So here's your tray on the inside. There's your baking tray. There's your rack right there. You've got your heating elements bottom there, and then there's one up top there. So pretty simple. You've got your plug back here. So I'll go ahead and plug this in. I've got this plugged in, as you can see there. Go ahead and show you the dials here. So to bake something, you'll want to turn it to the temperature you want. So if you want something at 400, turn the dial to 400, and then you'll set your timer here, and then this light will turn on. So if I want it 400 for 30 minutes, we'll turn it over that way. As you can see, this light's on, and then this timer will count down. So if you want to stop it, you can just turn it back. And then here's your toaster right here. So you want to turn this to toast up there. And then set your toasting time down here, and you can hear it clicking down, and then it will ding when it's done, and that light will go off. Obviously your door opens pretty easy, swings down, and then last this tray will come out to clean your crumbs out of there and clean that up. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you this real quick.